being designed as weapons. You see those cute cartoonish pizza slices and donuts in the puzzle grid?
Yeah, they look harmless. Matching them is the only way to beat the boss and get the vault keys.
That is the ultimate deception. In this game, matching 3 foods creates an explosion. In the real world, Big Food uses bliss point chemistry to make these snacks more addictive than actual street drugs.
Wait, so the overkill message popping up on the screen is a literal metaphor for our health?
Exactly. They aren't selling you nutrients, they're selling you a metabolic collapse disguised as a reward. They want you sluggish, distracted, and perpetually hungry for the next hit of high fructose corn syrup.
It feels like the game is actually mocking us for playing it.
It is. It's showing you the combat while you're being defeated by your own dinner, and that's why you have to. And you don't even realize it yet. Just look at these faceless stickmen fighting on a city sidewalk. They have no names, no backstories, and they exist only to be defeated for gold coins.
Oh yeah, they're just background assets. They aren't real.
But look at your own daily routine. You take the same route to school, you order the same caffeine fix, and you scroll through the same 3 apps for 5 hours every single day.
That's just a normal routine, man. Everyone does that.
No, that's a script. We've become so predictable that algorithms can guess our next thought with 98% accuracy. We aren't the main characters of this story. We are the environmental props in someone else's simulation.
That is a terrifying take. Are you saying we've lost our free will?
I'm saying that if you can be programmed, you aren't the player. You're just a line of code in a massive social experiment, confirming the fact that by this exact video, look at the way those vibrant food tiles snap into place on the grid. Every time a pizza slice or a soda can matches, your brain releases a microdose of dopamine.
I noticed that. It's really satisfying to see that stickman swing the Viking hammer every time a match happens.
That is exactly the point. It's called a micro-reward loop. Game developers and social media engineers have spent billions of dollars to ensure that your subconscious links the clink of the puzzle to the thud of the combat.
So my brain is essentially being conditioned like a lab rat?
Precisely. While your conscious mind is distracted by the overkill graphics and the gold coins, your attention span is being harvested for profit. You think you're watching a game, but you're actually trapped in a cycle of manufactured satisfaction that you never asked for. It's a psychological hijack designed to keep you scrolling forever, which is exactly how social media algorithms are literally weaponizing your seasonal depression, and you're thanking them for it.
Bro, it's just a fun trend about missing the summer.
The Sunshine Boy trend isn't just a trend, it is calculated nostalgia. They are using specific audio to make you mourn a version of yourself that never actually existed.
Wait, I definitely look that good on my beach trip.
No, you just remember the highlights. By contrasting your miserable winter self with one golden hour photo, they hack your brain's reward center. It is seasonal longing turned into a viral product.
So my own memories are being used against me?
Exactly. You're addicted to missing a past that was actually just as stressful as your present. Our generation has literally lost the ability to live without an audience.
What do you mean? I barely even post anything anymore.
You don't have to post. Have you seen the new reality TV editing trend? People are treating a basic dinner with friends like a season finale cliffhanger.
Yeah, but that's just a funny aesthetic.
No, it's a psychological crutch. We manufacture drama from the mundane because we are terrified that we're actually just NPCs.
Okay, that's incredibly dark.
It's the truth. We mentally edit our lives with suspenseful music because sitting alone with our own thoughts is too painful. You aren't the main character. You're just bored. Did you know 90% of the laughs you hear at school or work are literally calculated manipulation?
Wait, what?
No way. People just think I'm funny. Wake up. There's a massive trend right now of people exposing their survival laughs. They are literally faking it just to get a ride home or avoid conflict.
So my friends are...
It's basic psychology. A manufactured laugh triggers your ego. While you're feeling good about your terrible joke, they're extracting favors. That's actually diabolical.
How do I spot a fake one?
Watch their eyes. If the muscles around their eyes don't crinkle, you're being played. Next time they laugh, just stop and stare at them silently. Watch the panic set in.